Okay, so we're going to do the last example here, and we actually did not do this one in class. So if you are listening to this, this is a brand new one. This is one that you should really focus on because it kind of puts together another really good example, but it's even a little bit more scientific. It makes it a little bit more complicated. But if you can do this one, I have a lot of confidence that you can do anything I throw at you. So what we have here is we have an experiment with largemouth bass, and we are trying to determine what temperature of water enables the largemouth bass to produce the most eggs during reproduction. So what is the scientist changing here? What the scientist is changing is the temperature of water. Okay, it says right there, what temperature of water enables the largemouth bass? Okay, so what temperature of water? We're going to change the different temperatures to figure out which one enables the largemouth bass to produce the most eggs during reproduction. So what are we measuring? Well, what we're measuring is amount of eggs. That is what we're going to count. The different temperatures of water we're assuming would change the amount of eggs, or that's at least what we think. So constants, and there's a million of them here. Obviously, we're going to keep the same species. We want to use largemouth bass. We are going to give them the same food, the same type of food, the same amount of food. We can give them the same exposure to environmental conditions. That would be things like how much salt is in the water versus how much fresh water is in the water. A lot of different things you can go in again. Okay, again, I feel like we probably have a good understanding of constants. It's just a matter of getting them all down on the paper. The control here is a little bit more complicated. So this would involve some research in which you would have to go back and you would have to look up what would be a normal water temperature for reproduction of the largemouth bass. So it is normal water temperature. Um, and then so we would be testing to see if maybe different water temperatures increased or decreased amount of eggs. Okay, so hopefully me going through each one of these has really helped. Um, watch them as many times as you need. Come and ask me questions. Email me. We really need to focus on getting the idea of independent, dependent variable control group constants down so that by the time we do the science fair, we're ready to go. Nice work today in class. Hopefully these videos help. Let me know if you need anything.